Welcome to my first vegetable garden. Today I want to show you how to plant your tomato seeds indoors so that you can have seedlings. I've done a couple videos on how you actually make the starting mix that I'm using here, how do you prepare the seed cells, and I'll post the links in this video for those. But now you're at the point where you've made your starting mix, you've learned how to pack your seed cells, and now you just want to plant your tomato seeds. These are seeds that I saved myself. This is actually a Russian Oxard bicolor variety. And keep in mind that there's 9 cells here. I'm going to tell you to put in 2 seeds. You could put in 3 if you want. And that's just so that you're not waiting around for failed seeds to germinate. If you put in a couple more, you have better chances of your seedlings germinating or you're getting 9 plants. My point is there's 9 plants here. So when these grow and they're ready to be transplanted, they're going to have to go into cups like this or into a recycled container like this. So you just have to make sure that you grow the amount of tomato seedlings that will fit indoors in your grow closets or your grow box, because you'll end up with a lot of tomatoes. But my strategy, basically what I suggest is put in 2 seeds, 1 seed, 2 seed, 1 seed, 2 seed, 1 seed, 2 seed, and you can see the seeds in there. Once you have the tomato seeds down, just use a pencil or a popsicle stick, push them down about 1/4 of an inch. You don't have to be exact. If you're 1/8 of an inch, it's not going to matter. If you go down to 1/2 an inch, it's not going to matter. The starting mix in here is packed nice and tightly, so these seeds are not going to fall to the bottom. And then once you have them all pressed in, all right, there we go. You're just going to take a pinch of the starting mix. Again, this starting mix is pre-moistened. Cover up your plants, your seeds, and they're ready to grow. Now, this is pre-moistened, but it's not wet through. You definitely need to have your starting mix totally soaked when you're germinating plants. What I've said before is you don't want to pour water on top of here because this is going to splash out. Your seeds are going to get knocked around. So always fill your tray just like this. This happens to have a liquid fertilizer in it. You don't need, this is brown, you don't need a liquid fertilizer at this point. For germinating seeds, you just need water. But this was from another video. So you leave this in here for about 20 to 30 minutes until it sucks up enough water and this looks nice and wet to your touch. Something like this. You can see this is just a little bit lighter. This is a fully soaked starting mix. These are cucumbers over here. So once you have that, you put these under your grow lights. In 5 to 10 days, they're going to germinate. You're going to see your tomatoes coming up, and in about 2 weeks, you're going to end up with tomato seedlings that look like this. And you can see, in this case, most of them came up. And I'm going to do another video to show you, how you manage these once they're up. Hope you enjoyed this. Please check out my blog at www.therustedgarden.blogspot.com and also check out my other YouTube videos. Thanks.